Welcome to part 2 of our LabSuit how-to series. Today's topic is how to customize your inventory view. Lab inventories are diverse and they have different inventory types, for example, chemicals, antibodies, and so on. In our previous episode, we've seen that every inventory item has numerous attributes. Often, chemical properties do not make sense when dealing with antibodies and vice versa. Therefore, in LabSuit, I can define the set of visible fields for each inventory type. Let's click on Show Fields button and play around with this feature. These fields are visible when there is no active type selected, nor chemical, neither antibody. Let's select a chemical category. Now I want to configure visible fields for it. In addition to generic fields such as name or location, I also see the chemical-related attributes such as molecular mass, purity, and so on. Let's toggle the molecular mass and in Use By fields. Following this principle, when I toggle active type to become antibody, I see antibody-related fields such as antigen name, origin, animal immune, and so on. Every custom type or custom field you add to your lab inventory will show up in this menu. That's how you can build a flexible and custom view according to your needs. The view is automatically saved and preserved till your next login. Important to note that every lab member has its own custom views. Now let's talk about the grid versus table view. Your inventory list can be viewed in several modes. For example, grid view, which is card-alike view that shows images, figures, and structures if available. Another option is a table view, which resembles Excel a lot. It is more dense, thus more records fit into a single screen. Chemicals are usually seen in a grid view, since LabSuit automatically displays beautiful structural formulas. Structural formulas are matched against CAS numbers automatically. Also, on mobile devices, grid view is more handy. Stay tuned for the episode 3, where we will talk about adding new inventory item.